Hey, are you considering to book a one-on-one session with Lawgiri? Hi, I'm Lawgiri. Yes, this voice. Hello, this is Lawgiri. I've helped lakhs of students with their admission in top law schools of India like National Law University, Symbiosis Law School, Government Law School, Mumbai, ILS Pune, IIT Kharagpur, and I can help you too. Are you confused with regard to your law entrance preparation? Do you have zillions of questions? And do you need someone to answer them? Do you need an elder sister and an experienced mentor, an expert who can guide you with a customized plan, a customized strategy, specially perfectly curated just for you? Then book this session. I'm going to help you with all of these things. Like I've helped lakhs of students before. And if you want to check out our reviews, the link is in the description. You can check that out. And we also provide study material on our website www.lawgiri.in. So that is how we help our students with the exams, with the law entrance exams, be it any exam. Okay. So in the one-on-one sessions, what happens basically? Who takes the session? I take the session, right? No one else takes the session. I'm the one who takes the session. And as I've already told you that I am on a mission to help 1 lakh students every year to get admission in the best law schools or their dream law schools. Have already helped lakhs of students to get admission in their dream law schools in the past 10 years. Like 10 years I've worked offline, and 3+ years it's been on YouTube through my channel Lawgiri that I'm helping students with their law entrance exams, right? You can check out our reviews on lawgiri.com/results, jahan par, students have shared their review about us so that you get to know about us a little more there. Or you can visit our YouTube channel also and you can watch our videos and you will get to know about us, right? Where will the session take place? So it is an online voice call. It's not a video call, it's a voice call. Right, link is sent once you make the payment, and you can book a call on lawgiri.com/book-a-call/ and there you will get to know when the slots are available, which day, which time, and then you can book the call, right? So basically, how can I help you if you book a call, right? So which exams you should give, 3-year, 5-year law entrance exams, which are the ones that you should give for sure. Is being a lawyer actually your calling? Is like, would you become a good lawyer, or should you become a lawyer if you're confused, right? Should you do something else? Sometimes you're confused between two options, right? After 10th or even after graduation, some students are willing to go for a job, or they have certain issues with the family. So you can book a call with me if you're facing such issues. You don't know about the syllabus strategy that you should follow, you're confused about the timetable, how to manage your 12th boards and or your 11th class with your law entrance exam preparation after 12th, when you should start preparing. With graduation also, certain students are not, they're worried that, oh, this exam is not for me, then which are the exams I should give. Any specific problem that you're facing, you're not able to get the answer for the same, you're having fear, anxiety, some issue with the mock test, some issue with anything, you see that you are not able to study, anything, not following the schedule, there are family issues and because of which you are not able to study, any other issue you're facing, and you want that someone should hear out, someone should tell me what I should do. If you need professional help, then this is the right place to be. This is the session that you should book. How to book the session? You can go to lawgiri.com/book-a-call/. This is a 1-hour session and this is quality, like pure quality. I'm going to give you pure quality out here. I can guarantee you that if you take this session and you book this session, I'm going to make sure that by the end of it, all your questions are answered and you're ready to focus on the goal that you want to achieve, right? So this is a completely that kind of session, and my experience of counseling, my experience of being a lawyer, my experience of all of this thing of mentoring so many students who have achieved so many admissions in lakhs of students getting into different law schools. I can help you with that experience. And how much is it for? So this is for ₹2,000, and you'll be like, oh, that's so much, we'll get a session with blah 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 and all of that. Now this is quality, and for quality you need to pay, right? And this is not that you need multiple sessions with me. If you think that you want a person to whom you can be liable, or kind of like a person who keeps an eye on you, then can go for my mentorship sessions, wherein you can book a call with me anytime. And obviously those sessions are expensive, and there's a different payment system for that, and you will find a link for that in the description box. But if you want to go for a one-on-one session, then this is what is you have to pay, right? And yeah, so if you want to book a call, you will find a link in the description box. And if you have any queries, you can message us on WhatsApp. My team is going to answer all the queries. So that's it. Lawgiri signing off. I will see you in my session. That's it. Bye bye. And also, if in case you're not able to book a call, or you think that this is not the thing that is for you, you can always find solutions to your problems on my channel, that is Lawgiri, on YouTube, and there you'll be able to find questions to almost all the queries. Maybe, yeah, I try to do that. But if you want to talk to me, then this is how you can do it. Okay, bye. Catch you soon. Bye bye.